how to change video speed on Instagram Reels. Now, if you want to make or upload an Instagram Reel, but you want to speed things up about that specific video, you just have to tap on this plus button right here and go to Reels. You can just go to your camera right here. And when you tap on this button right here, that says speed, you will be able to see various options on how slow or how fast you want to capture a video. Now, let's say I want to speed things up a little. All I have to do is to tap on this 2 times right here. And when I capture a video right there, if I say I want to capture a video slower, all I have to do is to go back from being at 2 times to 0.5. Now the video will be captured in a slower pace. Now once I'm done, all I have to do is to tap on next. So that's how to change video speed on Instagram. Hope we helped.